Greetings, I'm the Bird, and welcome to the second part of my Ninja Collection review. The first film, Ninja Dragon, was more of a gangster movie that has now and then some disappointing ninja fights in it. So I thought, more way off than Ninja Dragon, no movie in this collection can possibly be. Boy, was I wrong. This is the Warrior Ninja. But maybe I'm too harsh on this one. I mean, what can go wrong when you have a movie with one single stuntman? So we start the opening credits in front of an active volcano. That's different for a ninja movie. At least this flick has some real Japanese studios behind it, unless Ninja Dragon. But the main production took place on the Indonesian island Java. Our story begins in a little village where the chief talks to the local hero about the evil Dutch Occupy force. We've got to know that the people suffer from the tyranny of the Dutchmen, but they are willing to fight for their freedom. The two are pondering about how to kill the Dutch when suddenly the volcano erupts. The villagers flee. At least I suppose they run away because it's so bloody dark. Ooh yeah, smash the hell out of the piece of wood. And now it's daylight. Terrific. I suddenly think Lodi Kwan is responsible for this film's continuity. No, there must be a logical reason why this man is inside a volcano. Let's proceed. Yeah, this looks real.
It's only a model.
So this Vulcan man here manages to dig out his way of a fucking volcano, has an hallucination of his arch enemy and mistakenly kills a woman. Meanwhile, the villagers arrive near the town and we meet the evil Dutchman. At night then, somebody sneaks into the Dutch ambassador's room and steals a box full of money. At least I suppose that happens because it's so bloody dark. The old man and the hero, and no, I'm not remember their names, talk about the mysterious guy in black that be simply referred as the Black Phantom. In the meantime, at the Occupy station, the Dutch colonel talks to the police chief about the Black Phantom too and wants him dead. The sheriff then threatens the town people that he kills everyone that helps the Black Phantom. And then came Robin Hood and shot some arrows. Oh come on, that is so Robin Hood knockoff. And this in a ninja movie. Well, anyway, with that said, the sheriff got robbed at night by the Black Phantom. And the night scene again. Listen, if you can't shoot at night, then let it be. It's like me playing chess. Fuck that shit. Finally, we've got to see some action. The hero appears and the Black Phantom thinks he's also on the sheriff's side and fights with him. During the scene, we see that the Phantom is actually a woman and our hero teams up with her to fight the Dutchman. In the same night, we see the Vulcan Man again. And he's invincible? Okay, he must be, he was inside a volcano. The chief comes to the hero and gives us some explanation about the Indonesian Hulk Hogan. He was fought once the master of our hero in a very silly way, and when he was defeated he swore revenge. Till the day he sat in a cave near a volcano. Ah, now I get it. And the gods gave him an iron skin. He was just waiting and the gods gave him iron skin? What? I mean, what's up with the gods, man? He's a psychopathic murderer and gets an iron skin? What god gave him such a gift? Ares? So our hero takes on the old fight his dead master began, but not before he knows the Iron Man's weak spot. Unfortunately though, with the Dutchman there is also an old sorcerer called Maruba, the Eye of the Death, and a friend of the Iron Man. On another day, the sheriff starting a public interrogation on the purpose to elicit the Phantom. And it works. But the Black Phantom has also some help from the hero and some other guy that I don't really care. It also looks like that Maruba can't use his legs. He uses then his Eye of the Death look to ensure the real Phantom fatal. The hero brings her then to her master and she takes care of her. Back at the crime scene, another old friend of Maruba arrives. An old witch that regains youth when she sacrifices virgins.
Virgin?
Oh. After more scenes with explanations we already know, the moment has finally come where our hero must fight the Iron Man. This fight would be cool if he could see something. It looks like the Iron Man is going to win, but the hero has some moment of enlightenment.
Use the Force, Luke. Luke, trust me.
No, that not really happens. His dead master told him to lure his enemy into the water so he rusts. Bullshit! This action raises so much questions that I simply not question it. So let's continue. Well, I guess that's the way the Iron Man crumbles. The rebels sent the Iron Man's head to the sheriff as a warning? He gets upset and orchestrates an execution to lure his enemy out again. And it works. Again! Our heroes surrender under the condition that the sheriff let the people go. The sheriff agreed, and for a blink of an eye you can see a little bit humanity in the sheriff, because he doesn't want to kill his own people. And in the next scene he tortures the hero. Oh movie, why so classy? They leave like good Bond villains so the Phantom can save the hero. The other rebels come to help, and it looks like we've got the final clash between the Dutchman and the Asian people. Oh, and I want to show you one of the best fight scenes in the whole movie. I hope you enjoyed it. What's up with this guy? Did he learn fighting by the guy from Ace Ventura 2? And then he dies? What the fuck? Well, anyway, with that... Who might it be?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
FedEx.
Oh,
Please
thanks.
sign here. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Curious. So much for that. Where were we? Our Phantom Girl here fights against the Immortal Witch, and the hero takes on Maruba.
what you said.
No! He was my most favorite character. Even I don't remember his name. How can a guy take so long to beat up one who can't even use his legs? Our hero breaks rusty iron with bare hands. He's just an old skinny man who can't use his legs. And in the end he doesn't even finish him. He uses a mirror to reflect Maruba's own death stare. In the end the old witch is defeated. Our hero fights against the sheriff and hey, since when he knows to fight. Anyway, the sheriff is dead, the Dutch colonel is dead, the chief is dead, everybody's dead. Well, except these two and a handful of rebels. The end. Okay, where were the ninjas in this movie? The closest thing to a ninja was the Black Phantom, but the word ninja was never said once. Maybe I'm a bit nitpicky here, but in the ninja collection I was expecting more ninja related. To be fair, the fight scenes in this movie, at last that you can actually follow, were better than in Ninja Dragon. The story was way better and more consistent than in the last movie, even without someone looking for the continuity. So I'm looking forward to the next movie of the Ninja Collection. Let's see... Ninja Squad. Sounds promising. I'm the bird, end of line.
Where are your friends? Where are your friends? Where are your friends, man? What? What? Where are my friends? All my friends are dead. All my friends are dead.